Students, good morning. Welcome back in our online classes. Today we talked about 11th biology. First of all, I am Tripurari Thakur, PhD Biology, Secretary at School Mohammadabad, Kohana, Mau. After class 10th, all of you worry about the syllabus, but no mention any worry. First of all, we say the syllabus of 11th biology. Our books of biology is divided into 5 units, total 22 chapters. That is, first unit is known as diversity in the living world. Diversity, only diversity in the living world, and it can comprises only 4 chapters. How many? 4 chapters. 4 chapters of diversity in the living world. Next unit is structure organization in plant and animals. This unit comprises 3 chapters. Okay? And next, third unit is known as structure and functions, in which also comprises 3 chapters. That is biomolecules, cell division, and mineralization. Included in here also 3 chapters. Here next unit is plant physiology. Plant physiology means total the mechanism which is followed by the plant. आपने 10th में पढ़ा है, लाइफ प्रोसेसेस में आपने 4 छोटे छोटे टॉपिक पढ़ा था. आपने पढ़ा होगा न्यूट्रिशन, रेस्पिरेशन, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन या एक्सप्रेशन. But here we can expand these physiology. And also you studied in class 10 combined physiology of human and physiology of plant. But here we can study separate topics. Then unit 5th and last unit of human physiology. Human physiology concluded 7 chapters. And rest of that total 22 chapters of your syllabus. Now come to the point. We studied diversity in the living world. What is the meaning of diversity? Yeah, in class 9 all of you studied what is the meaning of diversity. So diversity means होता है variation amongst the organism. अब ये variation किस basis पे हो सकते हैं? Their structural organization, design, that is body design, that is simplicity, simple or complex, either level of organization. Now we can see first of all diversity of living world means diversity means the variation in the organism. Now come to the point. First of all, your book contains number of questions. First question in your book is prepared as what is living? What is living? From very beginning, we studied what is living. All of you can say that all living things can breathe, all living things can grow, all living things can walk, all living things can move. Yeah. The first point is all living things grow. Means living, all living organism grow. Yeah. What do you mean of grow? And also development. From very beginning, from birth till death, every living being will be grow. In its initial stages, their growth is directional. Example, look, if any human baby will born, they can very small, and after the days will go on and the babies increase their growth, and at a maturity, they can achieve a normal height known as 5 feet, 6 feet, 5 point something, and so on so on. And after that maturation, no any length of any living beings will be extend. Why? But growth and development, both processes running till death. या जब तक कोई भी लिविंग बीइंग जिंदा है तब तक उसकी ग्रोथ और डेवलपमेंट होती है. इमेजिन करो, इन एनी केस एनी स्टूडेंट विल बी वुंडेड. हाँ, किसी को चोट लगी थी खेलते समय, या योर फिंगर इज कट, द नंबर ऑफ सेल्स विल बी डिस्ट्रॉयड, एंड आफ्टर सम डेज, आफ्टर प्रॉपर केयर एंड ट्रीटमेंट, द न्यू सेल्स आर produce and cover the wounded place. Yeah, then this is also the growth. The cells is growth known as growth. Imagine though, you can show a seed of grain. Seed of any grain, किसी grain को ले लो. हाँ, मटर भी ले सकते हो, चना भी ले सकते हो, wheat भी ले सकते हो, दोनों भी. When आफ्टर जर्मिनेशन, जब ये जर्मिनेट करता है, देखो दिस एरिया इंडिकेट अबव द ग्राउंड और दिस इज बिलो द ग्राउंड. या अब फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टू लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स विल बी जर्मिनेट, और दिस लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर इज नोन एज प्लम्यूल. और inside the soil other things will also germinate, but we never see. If you can want to see, we can tear the seed and find two these things. These two lines is known as radicle. After development means growth. After growth of radicals converted into root system, and this root system is known as development. Okay, and here after maturation the plumule convert into branch, leaves, fruits, birds, and so on. So the time of maturation we can find a seed. Only a seed is germinate a whole plant. So this point indicate every living being can grow. Next point, हम बात करते हैं बच्चों रिप्रोडक्शन की. हम सभी जानते हैं कि any living being having ability to produce its own kind. Okay? Any person can listen. The fruit of guava is ripened on the trees of mangoes. No. Any can listen. The cow germinate. Dog. Don't laugh. Try to understand. No. Any can sing or listening. A human can germinate a snake. No. Means every living being can germinate its own kind. But next point is reproduction. जैसा कि all of you know, every living being having ability to produce its own kind. Just before a short momentum, we said no any cow germinate a lion, or no any human being can germinate or produce a snake. No mango trees produce a fruit of guava or banana. So reproduction is also an essential and basic process of any living being. Next, another process is metabolism. Metabolism. All of you know, everything and every living being need a nutrient. Yeah, all of you studied in class 10th nutrition. So during nutrition we studied the number of organisms can obtain their food, and after complete digestion they will be destroy something. तो न्यूट्रिशन क्यों नीड है? because their growth and development. So metabolism is a process of digestion and absorption, that is catabolism and anabolism, and this can produce energy which is essential for our growth and development, for any living being to their survival. What is the meaning of catabolism? Catabolism means होता है बच्चों the complex food material in which we can consume will broke down into simpler form known as catabolism. और एनाबोलिज्म क्या है? The formation of or the production of energy, liberation of energy by simple food component is known as anabolism. All of we need energy for their growth and development. If no any living being has produced energy or gain energy, they will be destroyed and dead. This ability having only in case of living being. Can any person, any student can say the bench which are sitting by you can need energy? Yeah, in your previous classes, in your future, in your dining room, having chairs and tables, any students can fulfill their nutrition? No, because they are the non-living things. So every living being having need nutrition, and this process is also accompanied. Next topic बच्चों, every living being is having a definite shape and size. Body design. What is the meaning of body design? Body design means body organization. All of you see cow, lion, human, snake, also mango, guava, etc. All these things are living, but can you say all the body design of these members will be same? Anyone? All these are the living beings, but can any say the body design of lion, cow, human, snake, mango, and guava are same? No. Their body design will be divided into level of organization. Some having cellular level. कौन सा लेवल बच्चों? Cellular level. Some having tissue level. Some having organ level. Some having organ system level. But this, all of you know about the some organism is made up of only prokaryotic cells. These are also living. Some are eukaryotic cells. These are also living. Then how we can say all these living beings are same? No. Every living being having the definite shape and size, their definite body organization. Some having cellular, those are which is a single cell known as cellular level of organization. Some having group of cellular, that is tissue level organization, and so on. So these things found only in living being. Then last point बच्चों कि every living being having a defining properties. Either first properties क्या है बच्चों? वो न्यूट्रिशन को कंज्यूम करेगा, उसकी खुद का कुछ न कुछ रेस्पायर करेगा, ट्रांसपोर्ट करेगा, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन भी करेगा, या इसी को आप सर्कुलेशन करते हो, और लास्ट एक्सक्रीशन भी करेगा. All these properties never seen in any non-living thing. If you have no any idea, then you can say and ask your parents, your teachers, your colleagues and your friends for this. All of you see, these are the number of benches, number of tables, but they having no need of the nutrition, no need of oxygen, no need of the blood, and no need of the excretory material. Then, okay,